Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Gemini to OpenSea for NFT listings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Gemini to OpenSea for NFT listings, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the OpenSea website. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Sign In from the drop-down menu. Look for the option to connect a wallet. Choose Gemini from the list of wallet options. A new window will open prompting you to log into your Gemini account. Enter your Gemini email and password, then click Login. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication necessary for your account. Once logged in, confirm any permissions requested by OpenSea to access your Gemini wallet. After approval, return to the OpenSea site. Your Gemini wallet should now be connected and visible in your profile. To start listing NFTs, navigate to the Create or My Collections section. Select the NFT you wish to list for sale. Click on the Sell button. Set your desired price and choose the duration of the listing. Review all details to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click Complete Listing. Finally, confirm the listing through your Gemini wallet when prompted. Your NFT is now listed on OpenSea, accessible for viewing and purchase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.